So before the end of this video, I'm going to demonstrate what we covered in the previous video. In the previous video, we checked if our PC has got a Python environment and also installed Biopython. So I'm just going to demonstrate it right now. So I open CMD command prompt, and then if I want to check if my PC has got Python installed and also to check which type of version is running, I can just type Python. So it will actually show me Python, and currently my PC has got Python 3.11 running. And from here, let me just press exit so that I can install Biopython. So installing Biopython is very simple. In your Windows PC, you just have to type pip install, then Biopython. It's very simple, right? And it's now running. Since Biopython is already installed in my PC, it shows that. But in your case, if you have not installed Biopython in your PC, then it will actually start to install and download packages which are required to run Biopython. So after this one, let's check if you have actually installed correctly Biopython in your PC. So you just have to type Python first, right? And then you just have to import this function. Then we're going to print the version of Biopython which you are using or which is installed in this PC. So in this PC, I'm running a Biopython version 1.81. So this is it. This is what we covered in the previous video. First of all, we have to create a Python environment in our PC, and there are some requirements. There are some supported versions of Python. Basically, it starts from 3.7, I think so. So you can actually download any of those versions in your PC, and after that, then we can install Biopython using pip install Biopython command prompt in your CMD, and then the package it will download. And after that, then you have to verify if you have installed correctly Biopython. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be dropping more videos. Thank you.